Hola, me llamo Señor Adams. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre los adjetivos posesivos, or possessive adjectives. You already know one form of possessive adjectives. These must agree in gender and number with the noun they describe and always go in front of the noun. They include mi or mis, which means my or mine. Tu, tus, your, yours. Su, sus, his, hers, yours, or theirs. Nuestro, nuestra, our. Nuestros, nuestras, ours. Vuestro, vuestra, your. Vuestros, vuestras, yours. Let's look at some examples. Tus joyas de plata son muy bonitas. Your silver jewelry is very pretty. In this example, joyas is plural, so tus has to be plural, has to match. Okay, next example. Voy a pedirle prestado su cinturón. I'm going to ask to borrow her belt. Okay, in this one, cinturón is singular, so su is singular. Okay. Spanish possessive adjectives have a long form that comes after the noun. These forms are often used for emphasis. So let's look at some of these. Mío, mía, míos, and mías all mean my or mine. All of those mean that. Looking on the plural side, we have nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, nuestras all mean our or ours. Let's look at some more examples. Now we've got tuyo, tuya, tuyos, tuyas all mean your, yours. Suyo, suya, suyo, suyas mean his, hers, or yours. Vuestro, vuestra, vuestros, vuestras mean your or yours. Suyo, suya, suyo, suyas, theirs, theirs, or yours. Let's look at some examples. Voy al partido con un amigo mío. I am going to the game with a friend of mine. So here we can see that mío comes after the noun instead of before, like it did before. So, and also they have to agree in gender and number. They're both masculine and they're both singular. Okay, let's look at another one. Vas al baile con unas amigas tuyas. So amigas and tuyas are both plural. Are you going to the dance with some friends of yours? They're both feminine and they're both plural. So I'm going to write feminine, plural. They match. And again, tuyas comes after amigas. These possessive adjectives may be used without the noun. Example, estas chaquetas son suyas. Are these your jackets? Sí, son nuestras. They are ours. So here, we're not repeating jackets. We're just saying they're ours. You don't need to repeat that word, jackets. Okay? Son nuestras. But still, everything matches, see? Chaquetas, suyas, they're both feminine, they're both plural. Okay, and nuestras is also feminine and plural. So everything matches. Next part. To clarify or emphasize possession, you can use de plus a noun or pronoun instead of a form of suyo. Let's look at an example of that. Aquí está un collar suyo, which means un collar de usted, él, ella, ustedes, ellos, or ellas. Here's a necklace of, could be yours, his, hers, or theirs. Any of those. Because suyo is not specific to one person. It's not like tuyo. So it could be, you have to show who it's belonging to. Es un collar, which is necklace, de, and then you say who it is, right? For example. Okay, that's it. I hope you're starting to understand the possessive adjectives a little better. Adios.